My name is Carla Calderon, and today I'm showing you how to use Google Slides with Manycam. Are you ready? Here we go.
So here I am in my Google Drive, and I'm going to click on the Pokemon Review, which is the Google Slide reward system that I created. If you want to have this, then make sure you send me a comment with your email address so I can share it with you. While this is loading, make sure that you do not click on present, because if you click on present, what's going to happen is that this is going to get in full screen. And obviously, if you want to have Manycam open and the VipKid app open at the same time, this will not let you do that. So instead of clicking on present, what you have to do is click right here on this arrow and click on presenter view. This will open two screens. It is up to you. I do not use the presenter view, which is this right here, this smaller screen. So I just exit out of it. This is what I use instead. Now, I also have this sticky note, which has the size that I need to resize the screen so that it fits perfectly in my Manycam, because this is where I need it to be. If I click on the sticky note, you will see what I'm talking about. See, it's taking this spot right here. So I have to resize this, and let me show you what I'm talking about. Let me go back to this, and then I'm just going to resize it as the same size as the sticky note. I will recommend you to have a sticky note so that way it's so much faster for you. And there it is. I might have to put just a little bit bigger. There we go. So you see how it is on Manycam. Now let me connect this to here. So I'm going to settings, camera, and then I'm selecting Manycam and confirm, and there it is. So if I have to go back here, obviously, so that way it shows, because whatever I put on here is going to show on my VIP app, or in other words, Manycam. Also, I am going to show you how to create this, because you might be wondering, Carla, okay, you show me that. I know how to connect Manycam to my VIP app, but how do I get this screen? So let's go to Manycam, and I'm going to go all the way to where this plus sign is at. Also, make sure that you don't have anything on top of this, because if you do, then once you click on what I'm about to show you, you won't be able to move it out anymore. So here, click on the plus, scroll down, go to desktop, and go to custom area. This will take the screen part that you select, and you just have to resize this however you want. Let me warn you, when you click the check mark, what's going to happen is that your screen is going to be all black. It's okay. Nothing bad happened. All you have to do is go Command Tab and then go back to your Google. And there it is. So this was added down here. I don't know if you guys can see the difference. So now I'm going to click on the here. And this is what I have used. This is what I took the screen off. And it is on here too, on the teacher app. And also something that I like to do is I like to use the presenter pointer, so then the students can see where I'm at. You can just leave the cursor, which is fine too, but I just love using this instead. And then now I'm just going to click. You get Bulbasaur, Charmander, and so on. You guys know what I mean. And I like to tap right on it so that way they think that I'm actually touching the Pokeball. And well, this is pretty much it, you guys.
As you can see, it's not that hard. It's pretty simple, and kids love it. And I kind of use this as a break because sometimes, like we're always on the screen, and whenever I show the Google slide, then I kind of take like a little rest, and I'm like, whew, I can like, just be myself, just work on my voice. But I don't know if you guys know what I mean. Sometimes I've seen people that say that they take a water break, and I don't do that because I like to talk through my Google slide and stuff. So I don't know. Anyways, I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and to click on the bell so you get notifications as soon as I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.